Hi everyone, this is Reza with Rescale. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can run EDEM co-simulation on Rescale platform. We run it in a Linux machine in a batch mode. The assumption is you kind of familiar with the commands in EDEM and EDEM, and you have used our platform before. But anyway, I'm gonna give some highlights on there. So when you log into our website under your account, you can create a new job. You give the name to your job, and then you basically input your files. I have basically uploaded my input files here. You can through your computer, or if you have uploaded in the cloud before, you can get it from there. There are some changes that we need to do in the Cosim file. Now there are three ways. Either if you know which version of the software you're going to use, you can edit it in your machine. Here, if you don't have all of the file in the zip file, you can open it here and edit it here. And the third way is when we launch it, you can connect through the SSH and edit your file over there. So just to show you the file here, this is the Cosim file. We need to go to the working directory line and change it to the home. Put it in the work. All of the files going to be in the work directory. And the execution command for the EDEMs is this one. Again, we are running 2018 version. It's 2018. If it's going to be 2017, it's going to be 2017. So we edit this part. And then the EDEM part, we commented out. As you can see, I commented out this, basically, this execution one. And we're going to do it out of the Cosim. I think that's it. Then we go to the software. You select your software for MSc EDEMs. We select 14, and you choose your basically on-demand or existing one, depends on the agreement that we have, and then select the second one. So just to show you how to select the second one, you just add software, and you type here few letter of your name of the software, and you select it. Now one more thing here, because we're gonna spin up a machine, I just use sleep 4 hours. So it depends on how many hours you need. If it's gonna be less, you can stop the job. In the EDEM, the second one, you don't need to put the command one to execute. You just put the dummy one. So I just put echo dummy command. You cannot leave it blank, basically. Okay, we use this case we use on demand, and then we go to the next step. We select the machine and the cores that we want. You can increase number of the cores. And put the limit here. Put 4 hours. So after that, it's going to stop, because when you spin up, you have to stop the job yourself. In this case, just a safety to not running. And post-processing, we don't have anything. And then in the review, okay, you have the files, the software, let's see, and you save. And you see each job has its own specific ID number. So when you submit it on the basically platform, it goes and starts through a couple of steps, validating, which is going to check your license and the input, spin up the machine, and the running that. In this case, in order to not make this video too long, I already launched a similar case. So we take it from there. As I remember, I mentioned to you, you can SSH to the job, or you can use our basically SSH window here. So I use the SSH window here. So this is the job name that we have. And you can see here, this is the job name. So you go to the work directory, And these are all of the files. So in order, when you stop the job, all of the files that are not in the work directory, it's gonna be deleted. So you have to keep all the stuff in the work directory. So couple of stuff. If you forget some of the commands, you can go and use grep to, let's say, for example, Adam, you want to see where are they, so it's going to show you the path that is might going to be handy for you. For example, this one, we're going to use it for Cosim. Okay. Now, remember I told you that you can edit the file. You can use Nano here and basically edit your Cosim file if you have forgotten. So remember, 2 lines here was here. The working directory, you just put the home working directory, and then this one, MSC EDEM 2018, because we are in 2018, and we comment out basically these two, which we're gonna do it manually. Control O is to save, Control X to go out. Just put it to the top. So this is a fork one. Now, this is the command that we use to launch EDEM and then make it listening to the rest. So it's EDEM C EM file. So this CS one is making it EDEM to keep listening for the next one. And we use processors. So we use the command that we have in Rescale, which is Rescale cores per slot. And we use and sign to keep this one is waiting. So as you can see, I started this 7 processor. Remember, we selected 7 processor. Now we go and do the ACSI glue one to do the basically the Cosim. So here is program 2018 MDI and ACSI. This is the glue code, and we use the file Cosim. CI file Cosim. So what it's doing is it goes through your Cosim file and basically execute the atoms, and then started to connect to the EDM and basically doing the Cosim. So after this one is down, you can go and stop the job. Obviously, this one takes less than 4 hours that we set it up. So you can go stop the job, and after the job is finished, you can go and download your basically files. So here, let me show you it here. So if you go to EDEM directory, you have all of the output files. So going back here, you can go and manually stop the job. So you click on stop, and then after that, when you go to the results, right now we don't have the results, right? It's going to take it back over there, write it over there, and then you can go and download the results into your machine, or you use desktop if you have a desktop set up to do the post-processing. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and thanks for watching. And if you have any question, you can always contact us at support@rescale.com. Thank you so much.